Good day to my viewers and subscribers. When I Was Your Man by Bruno Mars, a Filipino-Australian famous singer. Same bed, but it feels just a little bit bigger now. All the songs on the radio, but it sound the same. Okay. Our intro. Our intro chord G7, D minor, C, back to D7, A minor, C, and G slash B. Okay, G7, put your index finger on the third, middle finger on the second, and ring finger on the first. It's just like twisting. Okay? That's D7 and then D minor. One beat only and then C. Third string, first string and second string, and then third, second, first, and then back to third string, and then D7 again, twist, D minor, twist, and then back to C, bass, fifth string, first and second string, together, and then third string, first and second string, third string. Okay, that's four. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then G slash B. Same picking. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. Okay, that was our intro. Now we go to our first verse. A minor, one measure, C, one measure, D minor, two measure, G, one measure, G7, one measure, C, one measure, E minor slash V slash B, one measure, A minor, one measure, and then C, one measure, D minor, two measures, G, two measures, and then C. Okay, that's our chords for verse 1. Same, the picking is the same. Bass, first and second string, third, and then back to first and second string without the bass, and then third. Okay? Amen. Same bed, but it feels just a little bit bigger now. Okay, D minor is the first time because this is has two measures. First measure is same picking, bass and first and second string, third, first and second string, bass, and but the second measure is bass, the second string, and first string, and then third, and then third string, first string, and second string. Okay. Yeah, that's it. And then G. All songs on G7, but the sound minor slash B. When a friend talk about the only chances, hear me down. Same picking also as before. Cause my heart breaks a little G to measure when I hear your name. It all just sounds like one measure for in minor. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Too young to down to realize. Okay, that's our refrain. Refrain chord is E minor, one measure, A minor, two measures, and then E minor, two measures this time, and then B flat, two measures, and then C slash G, one measure. Okay, cause my heart breaks a little when I hear your name. It's all just sounds like B minor. Too young to down to realize that I should have bought you flowers. The first chord for the now we go to the chorus. The chorus chords are G, F, one measure, G, again one measure, C, two measures, F, one measure, G, one measure, C again two measures, F, one measure, G, one measure, E minor, one measure, D7, one measure, F, one measure, F minor, one measure, and then C, one measure, F, half a measure, C, one measure, and then E minor slash B, one measure. That's our first chord. So, play. That I should have bought you flowers. The first chord is F because there only voicing, no chords. That I should have bought you flowers and held your hand. Should have given you all the hours when I had the chance. Take you to every party, cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, and she's dancing with another man. Okay, got it, same picking, except for the last three chords. Now my baby's dancing, F minor, dancing with another man, and then F, half a measure, bass, sixth string and first and second string, and then third, two beats only, first and second string, and then third string, and then go immediately to C chord, and then E minor B slash B. So one more time, it is dancing, but she's dancing with another man. Okay, got it. Now, verse 2 is exactly the same as verse 1. You can pick strum. My pride, my ego, and my selfish ways. The good strong woman walk out my life. Now I never took it at the mess I made. Oh, and it hurts me every time I close my eyes. Now it all sounds. Ooh, it all just sounds. Too young to down to realize. Back to chorus. This time you can use the G chord. The I, before we don't have, it's only voice now. But I should have bought you flowers. I held your hand, should have given you all my hours. When I had a chance, take you to every party, to dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. This time, one more C. Uh, before, dancing with another man. But now we don't use the last three chords. Instead, we substitute it with another one measure of C. So now baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. One more C. Although it hurts, F to measure, be the first G to measure, say that I was wrong. C, one measure, G, one measure. Now I know I'm probably much too late, and not apologize for my mistake, but I just want you to know that I hope he buys you flower. Okay, we go back to the bridge. So after repeating refrain and chorus, we go to the bridge. Bridge chords F, two measures, G, two measures, C, one measure, G slash B, one measure, A minor, one measure, A minor slash G. You put your finger on the third to make it a G bass, and then B7, two measures, D minor, two measures, and then G. Actually, two measures G. So, although it hurts, I'll be the first to say that I was wrong. Now I know I'm probably much too late to try and apologize for my mistake, but I just want you to know. Okay, the last chord is the G chord. Bass, sixth string, first and second string, and then third string, bass and second string together, and then third string, and then pick 6, 1, 2, 3. So 6 string and first, second, and third string 7 times. Okay. Although it's hard, I'll be the first to say that I was wrong. Now I know I'm probably much too late to try and apologize for my mistake, but I just want you to know. Okay, next, last. I hope he buys you. Actually, this G, F. Last verse. I hope he buys. Last verse was F. One measure, G, one measure, F. C, two measures. F, one measure, G, one measure, C, two measures. F, one measure, G, one measure. A minor, one measure. G7, and then F minor, F, one measure also, F minor, one measure, C, one measure, D, measure, F, one measure, F minor 7, one measure, and then C. Okay? Same picking. I hope he buys you flowers. So after, but I just want you to know, I hope he buys you flowers. I hope he holds your hand, give you his flowers when he has the chance. Take you to every party, 'cause I remember how much you love to dance. So all the things I should have done when I was your man. Do all the things I should have done when I was your man. Okay? Okay, so here is your show you your lyrics chords. Anyway, the intro chords is on the lower part. Okay? Anyway, just click the description link in the description box. Now our next. What is our next? Ay. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. Okay. Our next will be OPM. Kaparin by Ted Ito. Okay? Okay. Some part. Okay, on the second fret. Nang mawalay ka sa aking puso, kung bakit yata hanap-hanap ka pa, ang iyong mukha'y lagi, lagi na lang sa isipan ko. Bakit di? Okay, I'll continue it. Just subscribe, click your notification bell. Don't forget to click the icon for this closed caption. Okay. So, okay guys, see you next time.